we doing? Back at. So I'm going to set up the tree tent tonight. So this is the Tentsile tree tent. Can't remember the name of it now. The UNA. Tentsile UNA. So quite unusual. I've probably seen many of this before, but I'm going to do a bit of cooking later on as well, so don't go away. But right now I'm going to get the tree tent set up while it's light, get some wood prep for the fire, and then we'll carry on with the video, so stay tuned. Set up. So this is the Tentsile UNA. So we're going to spend the night in this tonight. Like I say, I'm going to get some wood prepped for the fire. I'm going to cook. Well, you just have to stay tuned and see what's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight. But like I say, that is where we're going to spend the night in the Tentsile UNA tree tent tonight. So another great bit of kit. I'm the man of many tents. Well, as you can tell, and I've got a couple more in the pipeline that have just arrived. Another hammock, another tent. So, but that'll be another video. But tonight, tree tent tonight, wee bit of cooking, wee fire on. Stay tuned. Wood's prepped. So there's a wee shout out, a wee thanks to James. So James, he'd sent me a couple of things, so I've just not got around to using this other thing that he'd sent me. So tonight I'm going to try this out. So this is from Outdoors Sundick that make this. Right, but one of our subscribers, James, he sent me this, so cheers James. So it's one of these tripods. So I'm going to set this up. And we'll basically get some cooked on it later on, and I can work out how it works. I probably should look at the instruction manual first, shouldn't I? Right, so basically these just screw together. I mean, you could make one of these up out just out of wood, but since I've been sent this, I'm going to utilise this tonight. So there's basically 3 of these, so I'll put the 3 of them together and I'll bring you back. Right, so that's the 3 poles stuck together, the tripod, and then you basically get this kind of section for the top. It's pretty straightforward. You just basically screw the 3 of them into each corner of this, and that's what gives you your tripod for your cooking. So you can hang everything on these, for Dutch ovens to any kind of pot and pan. I was going to use the Dutch oven, but I might do that another day this week, whereas tonight I'm just going to hang the billy can on it. What I'm cooking tonight, the billy can will be ideal. So absolutely ideal. It's also got obviously the centre chain. Right, the centre chain's also got a hook on it, so that's obviously where you hang your pots from. It's got a section at the top as well, so that you can basically adjust the height of this. So all you need to do is basically stick that into whatever height you want, and that'll basically hold that in place. But obviously I'll put that over the fire later on. But I'm quite impressed with that, so big shout out to James. Thanks very much for sending this through. I'll be getting tested tonight, so stay tuned folks. Darkness is falling, so it's time to get time for some fire. Right, so we're going to get that going, and then we'll start cooking. What's cooking tonight? Right, fire's on, water's boiling. Time to crack open a cider. Cheers folks, back out again. Brilliant. So big shout out to James again for this tripod. So this will be quite good. We'll show you what we're cooking tonight. Nothing fancy. This is a nice easy one. Anybody that goes camping or made these. So what is it? What are we having to eat tonight? So I've got one cheese baguette, salt and pepper cheese baguette. I was going to buy hot dog rolls, but I thought I'll just buy one of these. hot dogs, 6 plus 1 free, might as well chuck the lot in there. Cheese, melt on the top, tomato ketchup, a wee bit of mustard. And that's what's cooking tonight. Stay tuned. Hot diggity dog. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll just take the 7 in as well. Might as well. Don't want to go to waste. Put on the pot and then we'll hang that up again. Good to go. So let them cook away. We'll be eating shortly. Right, enough of that. You know what time it is. Well, you probably can't see that. Oh, I don't. Oh, yes. Oh, it's going to taste super. Oh, I feel like the dogs have heard me. As they must be able to smell this. Oh. Right, time to dig in. So I eat some of this. Wow. Very nice indeed. everywhere. But what a month. Very nice. Oh, especially it's quite a cold night. It's, I don't know, it's below zero. I've got wipes somewhere. I can't remember where. Just have to eat all this first. Right, I'll bring us back. Up the morning. So didn't do much talking last night. Just did a bit of cooking. But now that I'm up, I'm going to get packed up. Don't know when I'll post this. This is a Friday night. Last night was Friday night. Tonight's Saturday. So we'll get back out tonight. Probably, well, it'll be a live show tonight. So who knows when I'll post this, but I'm doing another live tonight in the hot tent. So I'm going to get packed up, but that's this video, bye. So, as ever, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and catch us in the next one.